The new Santa in town, Kotoko Captain Dalad Ibrahim, and the Santa Claus no ever town, Nenya Sem Kitwa. Kumasi Asante Kotoko plays technical team, and a member of the IMC paid a homage to the club owner, the life patron of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, which was Monday, 25th December 2023, a Christmas Day. Now, place Nina Manhyia after say Christmas no omobo Kumasi Asante Kotoko the RTU game we the pictures every photo e wa ha me dey blow e wo fi ha say but mami chow side story kakra and sana me the photos no and videos no are rolling on the screens for you to say no Ministry of Sports Ghana we say Ghana Black Stars ahead of Afcon because so Ivory Coast here na same way me person me campaign of South Africa. South Africa on the 31st of December 2023. Now over free around 10 or 9. We go 10 days. I was South Africa. And we camp ahead of Ivory Coast Afcon because so Côte d'Ivoire here no Côte d'Ivoire a border country with Ghana. Now ye koye camp ye ko South Africa. Adi musika wo ho enye kwabrane sika asemu emi nka bi etiefuo ahwefuo monka bi Ghana ye kobo tournament wo neighboring country Côte d'Ivoire South Africa ne ye ko campe ade ne se sika na ye kutua no enye ye sika o man ni sika yemfa o masem nto baabi. Now, Kumasi Asante Kotoko said Yohuno, Najao Isa, and the technical team members playing body. That's you can see Mukwala Desi and a Moise Poit and a was screen also. The NCC chairman Christopher Demenya and PM, yes, or Hini Brinya. Baba Yaya, about the other tomorrow. Samuel Oba was said Bimbosa because of injury. Now the man of the moment, and that was screen also no. Yes, Black Stars no or born the Monsieur Bitma started. Then the coach of the moment, Ogumbo, and Coach Kwesiapia, IMC member. So and I who say Kalu Watara and a White and a whole screen also no. That is a Warriors pay homage to Otumfuo Osei Tutu the second. Bronya dear no matter say package ni kama pa. Kotoko beko break. Players ne beko ko sra ebusuafo. According to information I'm in Sakan no. Sana etie. We homage. Yes, you can see all the guys. Yeah, Baba Yaya. Ansu ne tie chiro no. Justice Blade na afen ne tie chiro no. Ja nyebete Kumasi Asante Kotoko mu de. Bronya de no nso mate se su kama. Etiefo. Na bronya bi nem ho kame woya amomomo bia but ebi wo ho nso announce waje mama ye. Otumfuo Nyankopon eme enti ase. Yes. As you can see, Kumasi Asante Kotoko technical team.